Thanks for tuning in today. I have a really awesome trick to help you harvest all those elderberries that you have picked. Now, it can be really challenging to remove elderberries from the stem when your berries are raw. You could use a comb, a fork, your fingers, but when they're raw, they tend to smash. They're really fragile, so you want to keep the berries intact as much as possible so that you can get all the benefits of their goodness. I come home from harvesting my elderberries and I throw the whole basket into my deep freezer. It's actually really effective. It freezes all the berries at once and I don't lose any of the berries in the transferring from container to container process. Once the berries have frozen, I take them out of the freezer and throw them into a pot, something that's firm. You can use a paper bag, but when you use a paper bag, it's not as firm as a surface as a pot is, and so the berries don't fall off quite as easily. So once they're in the pot, you just give it a shake, and all the frozen berries will come off of the stems, and then you just remove the stems from the pot. Sometimes, if some of the berries thaw out before you get them to this stage, the berries will stick to the stems a little bit, but you just roll your fingers over the stems and the frozen berries fall right off. Now, if some of the stems have gotten into your berries, I just dump the berries into a colander and give the colander a little shake, and all of the stems will fall through. And a lot of the elderberry flowers will fall through as well. Once you've gotten to this point, you have a few options. You can directly process your elderberries and use them to make an elderberry syrup or whatever recipe you plan to use them for. What I like to do is I throw them straight into a Ziploc bag and stick them back into the freezer. When I am ready to use the elderberries, I put them into a large bowl and I just add a splash of apple cider vinegar and some warm water, and I thoroughly rinse the berries and get them clean that way. Then I use them to make elderberry syrup. I have a recipe for elderberry syrup, and I would love it if you checked out that video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this.